Alright, this is a demo for the Texas Instrument Zigbee devices, RF2480s. The program is running on the computer right now. This is what we call the GUI, the graphical user interface. And what you see right here is the dongle unit, which is operating on the computer here, and you can set that, following their quick start guide, as the main man by pushing the button once. Now we have two other remote units. One will be an end unit and one will be a router unit, which will act as a relay. Now I activate these by connecting the battery. Alright, so this one I'm going to push the button per the instructions one time, and that will make this the router. And you can see it shows up on the screen, and the information that it gives you is the temperature and the battery voltage. So right now we have one node going into the main unit. Okay, now unit 2, this is going to be an end unit. I'm going to push the little button 2 times. And now you see the computer is showing the second unit, all going wireless through the dongle. And you see we have 2 units giving temperature and voltage. Now I'm going to demonstrate the beauty of this by moving the 2 units. Now if you see, they're still showing up on the screen, both hooked into the dongle. Now as I get far away, now if you notice now as I scroll down, the far one, the unit, it's the end unit showing with the yellow, no longer connect contact directly to the computer, so it's using the intermediate unit as a router or a relay or a repeater, whatever term you want to use, and that is done automatically. That's one of the beauties of Zigbee. We didn't have to tell it to do that. It automatically switched over and uses, as you can see there, it uses the router automatically, and if I brought it back, it would go back into the central unit. So that pretty much demonstrates how this thing works. And the unit down here in the yellow, right now that's about 25 or 30 feet away from the computer. So you see that if I had 10 units distributed, and it would handle, Zigbee would handle much more than that. I could make a whole chain of these devices, and it could extend the range almost indefinitely using intermediate devices as a relay. So that's a quick demo of the power of Zigbee. A lot of work has been done on this, and it's available to us for a very reasonable price, essentially free. The designs of these units, like the dongle and the other units, Texas Instruments has done, and they're available for free, and I've downloaded them. So we have all the circuit board designs for what you see here. Now these devices can also be reprogrammed to do other things, like we could modify them to do some of the things we wanted for dementia and for fall detection. That's pretty much it. It's pretty impressive technology.